Drowning in day-off requests, it's time to trade those paper forms for the power of automation using the Clockify API. In this 90-second guide, we'll break down how the Clockify API can revolutionize your employee vacation tracking, streamline your HR processes, and guarantee precise time-off reporting for your entire organization. First, you'll need a Clockify account €1 if you don't have one already. Sign up for free at Clockify. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace settings. Here you will find your API key, which acts like a password for the Clockify API. Make sure to treat this key with the utmost security. Now, let's talk endpoints. The Clockify API offers dedicated endpoints for managing time off. These endpoints allow you to create, retrieve, update, and delete time off entries programmatically. Think of an endpoint as a specific web address that performs a dedicated task when requesting time off. You'll typically use a POST request to the appropriate endpoint when retrieving time off requests. A GET request is typically used, and you can filter by employee, date range, or approval status. You'll need to construct your API requests using the correct format, typically JSON. This involves specifying the user ID, date range, and any relevant notes or reasons for the time off. The Clockify API also lets you manage various time off types, ensuring comprehensive coverage for all employee absences. Explore the Clockify API documentation for the full list of available options and detailed parameters. And that's it. You're now equipped to automate your day off management using the Clockify API. Free yourself from manual processes and gain valuable insights into your team's time off patterns.